Hey, what's up, SafeMoon holder? This is warning for all holders of SafeMoon. You know why this is warning? Because exactly, my friends, holders are doing very big mistakes. So holders, if you doing this mistake, exactly, my brother, this is warning for you. You are completely in the loss now. So let's see, my brother. But first of all, if you can see, my friend, the update. So the change last 1 hour, last 7 days, the last one day, last 7 days, my friends, you can see the change occurs. So all are negative, my brother, and every cryptocurrency fails down, especially in those days. So therefore I cannot see the short fails, because especially all crypto market is very badly dumps down. So try to understand, holder, please don't do this mistake and absolutely be safe from the loss. You know what's the main reason, my friends, to this coin is fails down, especially short-term investor. When a short-term investor starting selling, so therefore this coin is also fails down. So let's see, my brother, I will tell you, my brother, what's my prediction, what's my technical analysis, and also, my brother, I will guide you. So this time, my friend, you know, especially SafeMoon is fails down from last 24 hours. So it's there are, my friend, especially main reasons. The main reason is that two holder are starting selling in those days, and absolutely, my friend, you know, to when a holder starting selling, then every cryptocurrency, especially like Bitcoin, my friend, every cryptocurrency is very badly fails down. So therefore I will tell you to don't see this short jump, short fails. Yes, so my brother, you know, SafeMoon, one of the fastest coin, and if you check out the last 7 days chart, exactly me understand to really this is the fastest coin, my brother. So my friend, you know, SafeMoon, one of the fastest coin in the crypto market, and every cryptocurrencies will wake up, but not like that. So therefore I will tell your mothers to please holders, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be double now. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, see you next time.